How to start project in Figma. So first open up Figma and then you'll be sent here right on your recents. So what you can do is just look for all projects here at the left side, click on that, and then you'll see all of your projects here. So let's say you already have one or you don't have a new or a project yet. What you can do is just click on project here, but since I already have one, you'll see something like this. Okay, since I'm only at the starter plan, I can't really create more projects since I already have a project. But if you don't have a project, what you can do is just click on plus project and then just name that project, and then you can just click on create project and then you'll have a new project. Okay, so if you have a professional plan, you can start a new projects, multiple ones. If you as you can see here, you can start unlimited projects. Okay, so if you have a professional one and you already have a project, you can just click on plus project and then name the project and then just click on create project. Okay, and that's it. So if you found this video useful, please like and subscribe for more videos like this. See you in the next one.